The CDC reports that cases of whooping cough and walking pneumonia have risen substantially in just the last couple of years. And we also know those can be more severe in children. It's why I asked an expert over at the Monroe Carroll Jr. Children's Hospital what you should know as a parent.
Come here, buddy.
We always want to keep our kids healthy and safe.
Because it breaks your heart whenever they don't feel good.
This time of year, all kinds of sicknesses are going around.
He's a little sick right now.
Does someone have whooping cough? Do they have walking pneumonia? Do they have regular pneumonia? Do they have the flu?
Dr. Buddy Creech tells me a lot of the symptoms can look the same, but look out for those first two. The CDC shows pertussis, or whooping cough, cases in the U.S. have topped 22,000 this year so far, compared to just under 5,000 last year.
So right now we're seeing more pertussis cases per year than we were seeing well before the pandemic.
The CDC says walking pneumonia cases are also on the rise. Dr. Creech attributes the outbreaks to a couple things: a drop in vaccine rates, a new pertussis vaccine that's good at preventing symptoms but could be better at containing spread, and more time together spreading germs post-pandemic.
Anytime there's an uptick, they say there's an uptick in everything, it's always, it is scary.
Both whooping cough and walking pneumonia can be more severe in infants and young children or adults with underlying conditions. But here's the good news. Dr. Creech says getting expectant mothers and infants vaccinated, that's your best bet at avoiding the worst of it.
So this is why every person who's pregnant, including my daughter right now, we're about to have our first granddaughter, every single person who's pregnant needs to talk to their OB about when they should get their pertussis booster.
In the meantime, if you notice your sick child has symptoms that linger, that's when you want to head to your pediatrician.
If they have fever and cough, but that cough is more severe, that fever is higher, that's a good time to be checked out.
Nikki Hauser, News Channel 5.